Hello boys and girls, RandomIslandNorm here. Today, well, I'm going to have a boil up, and this time I got a brand new guest with me, Calvin.
Hello there,
None of the other guys could attend, Tony and Eric, they were busy, so yeah, so me and Calvin is going to have a boil up in this awesome cove today. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate it so much. Anyway, let's get a fire going. Fire's good. Alright.
Don't know anybody else too, but he knows to do about it.
I suppose. Fire goes to the hole.
Yep.
Up the wood I got. We have fire. Guys and gals, looks got the fire going. Not too shabby if I do say so myself. Hopefully that'll last. That's my little paper fire didn't work out, so I got some old man's beard. This stuff burns like crazy. So hopefully I'll have better results with this stuff. Stuff that down here. Distribute it about.
You like a YouTuber?
Oh yeah. A few subscribers. Alright.
You got TikTok too, right?
Yep.
Are you on TikTok, I think? No, you got to be on TikTok.
Ooh, look at that. Guess I'll get some more. Make sure she keeps going.
Good job.
Just stop right here, La.
Right.
Like that. Bunch of that. We'll need a little bit more. Oh, yeah, that'll do. Over there on that tree. If you can get there. Yeah. Seems like your boots are holding up. Oh, that'll do. Yeah. Grandpa, don't slip. We have fire. Got some bacon on the scope there now. Hopefully that'll cook. Put the bow sprinklers in it.
Any working? Good, does it?
Not yet. Won't take very long though. Well, boys and girls, looks like the first slab of bacon is done. Hot?
Well,
Oh yeah. All right.
we see. We some cold beer now.
Yeah. Get some more bacon on the go. I'm gonna have some on my sandwich there now.
Sandwich.
Yep.
Your bread there.
Yeah. Bacon sandwich. Bacon and ranch.
Oh, okay. Is it not spicy though?
It might be.
I might not like it. I tried it also.
Hey, boys and girls, I got some bacon and spicy ranch on a slice of bread. Check that out. Looks good. Hopefully it tastes amazing. Oh yeah, that's good. Good, eh?
Good job.
I also got some scallops boiling. Wait, try that.
I got drinks from you in the back.
What?
You look ginger ale?
Ginger ale?
Yeah.
Yeah, not bad.
I'll give you one of your back. There's 4 here from the lunch here. We've got 8 packs from the lunch here.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna probably buy something if you do. I can't check it.
Yeah.
I think this up to the farm, that's the road, is it?
Yeah. Alright.
Better eat it when you start and eat it.
Yeah. That's right.
I eat some junk, you? Yep, there's some junk there.
Boys and girls, my scallops are ready. Check that out. Gotta love having scallops on boil-ups. I'm gonna douse this in the water. The hunter's package.
Yes, it's called, yeah.
Yeah.
And I pay more money for mine. But she's camouflage, right? I got one of the 13 houses, right? You know, if it was with regular root, versus water, we got a 12 house, right?
Oh, okay.
I have a 13 house because she's more money for camouflage, right? The camels that we're off a bit now, but she still be in hot fire shit, eh?
Yeah.
That makes sense to me to understand it, but it's weird. Hmm? Stupid.
It's too hot.
Huh?
Well, boys and girls, that's it for the boil up. And I hope you all enjoyed the video. Anyway, yeah, that was a great little time. Having a feed of bacon and scallops, basically. Yes, sir. And yeah, Calvin was able to join me today, which is pretty awesome. Anyways, guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And check out my Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok pages. As always, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. So long, and have a great day, everybody. Alright, it's time to head back. Later on, boys. Well, wasn't expecting that.
Ooh.